So I've owned my truck for about a year now, and it has about 5,000 miles on it. I haven't done any update videos of it because I like the way it functions right now, and I like the upgrades I've made on them. Um, it's a great truck. Just recently I picked up a brand new steering wheel, carbon fiber trim, and also I wrapped some of the interior on the truck. So here it is right here. It definitely changes the look and feel of the truck dramatically. And I wrapped some of the interior pieces in carbon fiber wrap just to make things blend in a little bit better. I wrapped some of the wood trims around the front sides, and I wrapped the door switches on all four sides, and I also wrapped the shifter trim. Well, my favorite part about the steering wheel is obviously the looks, the thumb placement, and the grooves in the back, so you get a really good grip when you turn. The next thing I'm going to add on the truck is courtesy lights, so that every time when I open the door I can see the steps. Thanks for watching, guys.